Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content. So ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay itong English only policy sa pamantasan ng Kabuyao, University of Kabuyao. Okay, so ngayon po kasi ang University of Kabuyao has made a policy, English only policy. So what is the wisdom behind this, mga lods? Because I know you guys would not like to speak in English but in speaking in Tagalog. Or speaking in the vernaculars. There's really nothing wrong in speaking in Tagalog, but you have to put it in the place to be. Kulit no? Hindi, may wisdom naman yan, mga lords. Unang-una kasi, yung English is one of the most spoken language in the world. According to statistics, there is 1.5 billion English speakers in the world. So, it's not only a language that you can learn to speak, it's also a global skill na tinatawag. So, what does that mean? In order for you to be understood by most people in the world, you have to speak in English, or you have to learn how to speak in English. Now, Nico David, what if my English is Baroque? What if my English is sound Tagalog? Like the B and the P and the V. Di ba mga Pinoy kasi nagpapalit yung P and V's nila? That's all right. It's okay to sometimes interchange your P and your V's, or your B's as well. Practice makes perfect. Hey, see, pati ako, di ba? Practice makes perfect, mga lods. Yun lang talaga yung dyan. There's really nothing to it but practicing the language. Okay? So, Nico David, bakit ikaw yung language mo ay Tagalog English? Okay? This is called code switching, mga lods. Why? Because not everyone can understand English. So, I switched to Tagalog so that it would be a lot comfortable to you listeners. Di ba? Palakpakan the listeners. Pero may wisdom nga yan. Yun nga yun. Yung number one nga dyan, most of the world speaks in English. 1.5 billion speakers. Ang sumunod yata niyan is Mandarin, yung susunod niyan, and I don't know the rest. Okay, so, and I think third ang Arabic, but I'm not sure. Okay, kayo na lang ang mag-fact check sa akin. Okay, all transaction in engagement with officers, student, employees, and workers should be communicated in English, whether written or otherwise. Strict compliance. Okay, so, and also, mga lods, did you know that 90% of all scientific papers are written in English? Okay, so why? Because if you would like to share your knowledge to especially dun sa mga academe na tinatawag, you need to, it's usually written in English, di ba? Siguro yung 10% nito na tinutukoy nito is either Russian or Chinese or Mandarin, but even the Chinese people are actually translating their work to English. Why? Because they want to spread information, scientific information to the world. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sarilihin yun habang buhay. So, yun. And one thing also, if you are a writer, kunyari writer ka, or you are a journalist, yung mga malalaking publications, yung mga yung New York Times, yung mga ganon, it's also in English. Diba? And yung mga top universities as well, Yale, Oxford, MIT, these are all English-speaking campus. So, if you want to be globally competitive, kailangan mo talagang matuto mag-English. Okay? It's not just a language that you have to learn. It's a global skill na tinatawag. Diba? So, kasi nga, bakit naman kami mag-English nasa Pilipinas naman kami? You'll never know kung aalis kayo ng Pilipinas, and you'll never know kung papasok ka sa kumpanya na English na kailangan mo mag-Ingles. So, kailangan talaga matuto. Ito, kulang kasi yung nandito eh. We encourage everyone to fully support this initiative as we are striving to globally competent graduates na yan. Hindi po nakakatawa yan. Grabe naman kayo. Bakit nyo naman pinagtawanan? Tingnan natin yung mga sino yung mga nagaha. Ba, itong si Spokes Jet na to, classmate ko to nung araw sa English, BS English siya. So, nagtataka ako ba't niya hinaha. Diba? Ito yung, hindi ko na sasabihin kung sino yung iba. Pero nagulat lang ako na yung isang, siguro, meron siyang wisdom na hindi ko alam. So, nakakatawa din yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao. Ayaw ni Senator Robin yan. Well, ang isang senador naman kasi can have yung kanyang staff. Yung staff niya yung pwede mag-translate sa kanya. No problem naman yun kung isa kang senador. And, well, ganun naman si Robin Padilla, hindi mo maasahan. What can you do? Ay, kaya niya magkanta ng You Look Wonderful Tonight. Congratulations, number 1 senator. Iyak, di ba? So, ito, Miss Deliciousness. What are you saying? Saying. Teka, ulit. I should transferring na talaga. Konyo natics. Yeah, pero that's the point there. If you want to be globally competitive, because most of the things na importante ngayon sa mundong ibabaw is in English, right? Maghanap kayo ng libro ngayon na bestseller sa buong mundo na hindi English, or most of them are in English, right? Ganun talaga yung kalakaran ngayon eh. And kung gusto mo kunyaring mag-master sa Yale or sa Harvard, 'di ba English pa rin 'yon. So it would be of your advantage kung marunong ka mag-English. 'Di ba? Pag miski pumasok ka sa call center, English pa rin yung salita doon. Maganda din na marunong ka bumasa at magsulat ng English. Bakit? Kasi nga, karamihan sa mga nasusulat ngayon na importante, or doon na lang sa social media eh. Pumunta ka sa YouTube, 'di ba? Pagka magiging content creator ka, of course, pwede kang magsalita ng Tagalog, tulad nito. But yung interface ng YouTube is best understood in English, or Facebook as well kung magiging content creator ka. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi ito masama inherently. Kaya nagugulat ako sa inyo bakit nyo hinahaha. May point naman sila dyan. Yung wisdom is there, okay? Siguro, yung iba kasi barok pa mag-English, okay lang yon. Kahit barok ka mag-English, yung may accent pa, it's okay. Practice makes perfect. And ang aim mo dapat is to have a neutral accent na tinatawag. Neutral accent na tinatawag. Hindi mo kailangan mag-slang yung parang sa American or mag-British. Hindi mo kailangan yan, pare. Ang kailangan mo is a neutral sounding accent. Yung wala kang puntong Tagalog, wala kang puntong kung taga Visayas ka or taga Mindanao ka. Wala ka dapat punto na ganun. And that can only be attained through practice. Okay? Practice makes perfect. Ako nga, hindi ko na kayang mag-straight English pa minsan eh. Kailangan cognizant ako dun sa kausap ko bago ako mag-switch, 'di ba? So, I would like every student here na huwag kayong magalit sa school nyo. Mahal kayo ng school nyo. Gusto lang kayong bigyan ng global edge na tinatawag. Okay? Of course, kapag biruin nyo, trilingual na kayo dyan sa Kabuyaw. Marunong mag-Tagalog, marunong mag-Bisaya, marunong mag-English. 'Di ba? Panalo lahat pag ganun. And of course, kailangan magaling din kayo sa math. Ito lang ang secrets ko sa inyo, mga lods. Because mathematics, mga kaibigan, is the universal language. Yay! Ito, last na to. Nood muna tayo ng meme bago tayo magtapos. Teka, ba't tayo tumunog nitong meme na to? Teka, dito natin nilagay. Hindi, dito. Yan. Ba't tayo tumunog ng meme? Ayaw tumunog ng meme, nawala eh. Nakakatawa to kahapon eh. Wala, hindi ayaw tumunog. Ayun lang. Anyway mga kamats, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po. Don't hate the schools mga lod. Gege mga lods.